We're gonna begin with this. The Western leaders are calling Ultra from Spain, Ibiza. There is what happened. A terror hazard with for Terror Act. Second the Roma flight. Landed in Belarusian Minsk. Diverted to landed in Spain, Ibiza, in the beach. A diverted bomb flood. This man never made it to his final destination. He's got arrested before fighting and swearing because something has diverted. He's got police. Both planes is taking off the plane and now is arrested. Oh, he found it. Something is in jail cell for a long time before the fraud. There's happening will be asked. And now his phone has somewhere has something. Ryan, good morning. Good morning to you there. Somewhere and everything. Hello, diverted. Roma Cinema Elite. Diverted on a plane as an aircraft, and it's not at the war. And there is what happened. Here's the Roma passenger plane at a tarmac with Ibiza in the beach airport. Luggage pulled off the plane and is backed by sniffer dogs and police angry. And then called a bomb threat and fighting swearing. But the real target got arrested before it would be a long time. Before it would be 10 million years because they have to on a bomb threat to make sure to make an emergency descent. So now I saw directly and I fighting swearing would be arrested 10 million years right now and also have that anymore. The Roma flight took off with school airport diverted flight which is 2 minutes before diverted because they're going to be the bomb landed and the pilot told him said that diverted in the beach in Spain because potential fighting and swearing security threat. And now finally waiting on clock has it. And a final destination in Minsk, Belarusian capital airport. That one somewhere. This is Roma flight flip out flight himself. Pilot said that. So somewhere the Boeing 737-800 MAX. Both planes said that. There's that one MAX flip out airliner. Has the fireman Manchester calling the police said that bomb for the commercial flight. And now it's landed because over landed years because and now it's landed because the safely has it. And now in the email is Sushi Monster said because the bomb threat to Mitchell. However, but he has it. And now diverted because a bomb threat. The Roma Cinema Elite aircraft will not fly because 1% fighting and swearing and arrested never landed.
When it landed, but a
number that passengers got off or anyone else. Continue. EU Minister had to emphasize his fault with Spain in the beach airport. So because it has somewhere the accused has diverted. The aircraft has a Ryan EU. Alright, Ryan, thank you.